on May 23rd, which was the first day of my trial in 2023. After the trial, after the initial proceedings, after I was brought back to the jail, I called a friend of mine. I'm not going to say her name on the air.
Doesn't matter.
I called a friend of mine on the phone, on the jail phone, and that phone was recorded, of course.
Yep.
And we were discussing the proceedings that had happened that day in the trial. And I'm just going to use a little bit of language here because I'm just going to let the audience know
keep it real, honey. Keep it real. Tell us what happened.
Exactly what I said. I called the judge a dumb bitch.
Okay.
And the prosecutor a stupid motherfucker.
All righty.
Okay. And which I totally still agree that's what they are. And anyway, okay, so the sheriff the next day ran that recording up there to that courthouse for the sole purpose and intent to bias my judge.
But she went into the judge's chamber and had the judge listen to it. Am I correct?
That's right. He
okay.
That tape for no other reason but to bias her.
But here's the deal.
Nothing.
When he walked in, he knew what he was doing was obstruction of justice. Absolutely. And she knew when he walked in there, said, I've got something you listen to. Well, what is it? Well, it's Rebecca Bump, whatever. Well, first of all, I can't listen to it. That's improper. That's against the rules, and it's illegal. If you got something that I need to hear, ex parte, if you got something I need to hear, that it has to happen in the courtroom. It can't happen
behind closed doors.
Exactly. You can't do that. So they did this. Now, how do we know they did this? She went on the record and told everybody it happened, thinking that that would be her way of getting out of this, because she knew that they had done shit in their nest, because she refused to hear it. She should have ran him out of there and got on to him and threatened him with contempt of court for trying that crap. But no, she goes on the stand and tries to dress it up, knowing that one day it's going to come back to haunt her, and you can't explain this away. It's wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong.